Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the volume mixer on your Xbox Series X. So maybe you want to hear the party chat a little bit easier, or maybe you want to go ahead and hear the game sound a little bit easier. So at any point in time you can press the Xbox button, open up the screen, and then scroll on down. Then go to the right, and we want to go to audio and music right here. Select A on this. Then you can adjust the volume of your headset under here. Now, sometimes your headset will have the volume adjustments on it, and it will just reflect in here. So if you have the Xbox wireless headset, turn the dial, and you'll see it go up and down in here. But you can go over to the headset chat mixer right here, and you can slide this to the left if you want to hear the game sound a little bit easier. Or if you want to hear the party chat a little bit easier, you can slide this to the right. And I believe you can go to each individual name in the party chat. You can increase or decrease the sound of their voice in there as well. Then we have mic monitoring. This is just you being able to hear yourself speak in your own headset. So if someone is like standing near you and you're having a conversation with them, you're going to hear their voice instead of having it be muffled out. So it's sometimes nice to have that turned up a little bit more. And you can just adjust everything under here. And I believe you also have the same options if you create a party chat. So if we go to start party and then go on down, we should have the options in here as well. So if we go to audio settings, so let's go to that, select this, you can see it under here. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.